This turning structure to the downside, this is where we can confirm, okay, price is ready to move to the downside, which we have a strong confirmation candle here with a strong engulfing candle, right? So this strong engulfing candle, we have what we called an order block, okay, which I'll be talking soon on our next video about this rejection, weak rejections, okay? So we have our order blocks. All right, so since we have our order blocks, now we'll move to our lower time frame or our refining zone, because this zone is big. All right, this zone is big and we are looking for points. Okay, we're actually looking for points. We don't just want to dive in the chart and start working. Okay, we are aiming for points, and point is what we are actually need in the chart. Okay, then we'll move to our 30 minutes time frame. On this our 30 minutes time frame, you guys can see we have a clean order block.